Collagen is a protein that is essential for the health and maintenance of our skin, hair, nails, and joints. It is the most abundant protein in our bodies, and is responsible for maintaining the strength and elasticity of our tissues. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, which can lead to wrinkles, sagging skin, and joint pain. However, by incorporating collagen-rich foods into our diet, we can help boost our body's collagen production and reap the anti-aging benefits. In this video, let's discover 7 surprising foods that are rich in collagen and their anti-aging benefits. Bone broth. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones, such as chicken or beef, with water and vegetables for an extended period. The result is a nutrient-dense broth that is rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals. For centuries, bone broth has been a fundamental component of many cuisines worldwide, and commonly used as a base for soups and stews. The collagen is an essential protein found in bone broth, can help to strengthen the skin, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and support joint health by promoting cartilage repair. Furthermore, bone broth is a rich source of glycine, an amino acid that supports the body's natural detoxification process. Skin on chicken. Chicken is a highly favored and adaptable protein source that often goes unnoticed for its potential anti-aging advantages. Its collagen-rich skin renders it an exceptional food for enhancing skin elasticity and reducing the presence of wrinkles. Furthermore, chicken skin is a great provider of nourishing fats and vitamins, including vitamin E, which is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. It is also a great source of protein, which is essential for maintaining healthy muscles and bones. Chicken is a versatile ingredient that can be cooked in a variety of ways, making it easy to incorporate into your anti-aging diet. If you're finding the video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, turning on notifications, and click on like. Organ meats. Some of the most nutrient-dense foods available are organ meats, which include liver, heart, and kidney. These meats are abundant in vitamins, minerals, essential amino acids, and collagen. Additionally, they are an outstanding source of vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Eating organ meats can help to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Organ meats are best consumed in moderation due to their high vitamin A content, which can be toxic in large amounts. Sardines. Sardines are a small, oily fish that are packed with nutrients. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy skin and joint health. Sardines are also rich in collagen, making them an excellent anti-aging food. The collagen in sardines helps to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Berries. Berries are a delightful and healthy inclusion in any anti-aging regimen. Abundant in antioxidants, they combat free radicals that could harm the skin and cause wrinkles. Additionally, berries provide an abundant supply of vitamin C, a vital nutrient for producing collagen. Eating berries can enhance skin flexibility and minimize the appearance of wrinkles. Moreover, they support the body's innate detoxification process and reduce inflammation. Eggs. Eggs are a food packed with essential nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals. They contain important amino acids such as collagen, which play a vital role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Consuming eggs can promote skin elasticity and diminish the visibility of wrinkles, while also aiding the body's natural detoxification process and alleviating inflammation. Broccoli. Packed with nutrients, broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that boasts an abundance of benefits. This veggie is an excellent source of vitamin C, a vital nutrient required for collagen production, and it is also rich in antioxidants. These powerful compounds help combat free radicals that can harm the skin and contribute to wrinkles. Incorporating these foods into our regular diet can aid in the preservation of healthy and youthful skin, strong and flexible joints, and overall health and wellness. While these foods are not a magic solution to halt aging, they can help slow down the process and keep us looking and feeling our best as we age. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your loved ones.